Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the E chord on the piano, also known as the E major chord. First you locate your root note E, play this with your first finger. Then you locate your next note, it's called G sharp, one key up from G. Then you locate your last note, it's called B, play this with your fifth finger. Now, because the E major chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This one is called the root inversion because it has the root note at the bottom. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord all the way to the top, the note E, right? And then you move your hand like this. This is called E first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note, this time G sharp, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called E second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note, this time B, all the way to the top, you will in fact be back at the root note position, root note inversion, right? Just like the one we started with. Only one octave higher. Okay, let's do this one more time. E, root inversion, move the bottom note to the top. E, first inversion, again move the bottom note to the top. E, third inversion, bottom note to the top. E, root inversion. Now you can of course do this backwards or downwards on the piano. Simply move the top note to the bottom, like this. E, second inversion, again top note to the bottom. E, first inversion, and again top note to the bottom. E chord root inversion. So to practice these inversions, simply do like this. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion. Root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. Right? Lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the E major chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.